I just really enjoy spending my nights alone. Time to make cookies. Woo! I love boys. I love boys. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to another vlog. Today I'm gonna be doing a not a night routine video. This is not no structured video. I just picked my ear on camera. I'm just gonna vlog what I'm doing tonight, but I'm spending the night alone. I say that like it's any different. I spend every single night alone, but like not in like a way where it's like, guys, like I spend every single night alone. Like I'm so lonely. I just like wish I had someone to cuddle with me. Like bitch, throw yourself a pity party. No, I just really enjoy spending my nights alone. And I know that that sounds so forced and fake out of my mouth, but I really do, okay? But you know, I thought it'd be a fun little girls' night, you know, have a little sleepover since I wasn't allowed having sleepovers as a kid because my grandma didn't let me. Oh, didn't know this was therapy. What the fuck? But it's currently 6 p.m. and I just finished work for the day, kind of, not really. Like, I kind of procrastinated all day, but then I'm just like, you know what? I'm just gonna push it and do it tomorrow. And I feel like I do that every single day though. So it's like, what the fuck is the point of writing a to-do list if you're not actually gonna do it? But I like to think that it works. I'm craving cookies right now and I was like, oh, let's go buy cookies. But I'm like, you know what would be more fun? Baking cookies. So we're about to head out to Target right now to go get some stuff to bake cookies. Maybe we'll get like a little candle or something to, you know, set the mood. But yeah, I want to bake cookies, watch a movie, do a little face mask, you know, treat myself. Guys, I have a really fun song for you. Ready? I wrote it specifically for you, so I hope you enjoy. Make sure to subscribe to be a part of the family, because I can see that 40% of you watching this video right now aren't even fucking subscribed. Isn't that so crazy that I can stalk you and see that you're not subscribed? Fun fact, I can click on your comment if you comment and see if you're subscribed to me or not. So if you want a little heart on your comment, make sure to subscribe and then comment down below because I will like your comment. And you don't believe me? You don't fucking trust me? I thought we had some trust. Go check. Did I like all the comments? Yes, sir. But for real though, I do have a song for you. Ready? I spent all night writing it yesterday. I love you, bitch. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go to Target. All right, I'm at Target now. I need to pick up a couple ingredients for the cookies. Okay, we're currently in the candle section. I'm like, do I get one that smells like a man? Would that help manifest the vibes? Like lighting this candle and then just like imagining it. I sound so fucking lonely. It's a joke. It's a joke. It's a joke. Please realize it's a joke. Okay, we're gonna get sandalwood and smoke. Bro, going grocery shopping when you're hungry is so dangerous. It's like I'm walking around right now looking at everything and my mouth is dead ass full. Like I want everything. I can't with him. All right, I just got home. Time to make cookies. I'm actually so excited. I was in the store salivating, bro. Like if you're new here, fun facts about me is I have a crippling sugar addiction and I have no self-control when it comes to food. I'm just like using a display bowl for fruits because I didn't have a bowl and I didn't want to buy one and I was like, we gotta improvise, save money, live better. Ready? Talent. Bitch, that ain't no fucking talent. Why is baking so therapeutic? Like, oh my God. The way that this is just folding in right now, it's too pretty. Why did my arm low-key hurt? I'ma just act like that never happened. I can't like bake or cook without like eating everything. That ASMR is so sexy, bro. I'm gonna refrigerate this for 45 minutos. All right, while the cookies are cooking, I'm gonna wash my face. I just want to thank Skin Lab for sponsoring today's video. I've been using this every day for the past month. As you can see, it's almost out, but they sent me a new one so I could like be all aesthetic and show y'all like how cute it is.
Oh my god, how aesthetic.
This is like an oil-based cleansing balm. I use it every single night to take my makeup off, like every single night. Like, I haven't used makeup wipes in so long because I only live by cleansing balms, but this has like a second generation BHA ingredient in it that also removes like blackheads and stuff like that. Like sometimes when I use this, I can literally feel like the blackheads coming out of my pores, and I'm not exaggerating. And this takes all, oh wait, is this, wait, do you guys see that? Hold on, I literally just got a blackhead out. We're gonna have to zoom in, right there on my finger. Do you see it? That little thing? That's my blackhead. And like, it just removes all the dirt and all the impurities from my face. And all of this is made in Korea, and y'all know how I freaking feel about products made in Korea. And then you just wash it off with some water. I don't know about you, but I'm actually really lazy to go into store and buy anything. So good thing that this is available on Amazon. And this is vegan and it has an allergen-free fragrance. So if your skin is sensitive, just like you, this is perfect. Anyways, if y'all want to buy this because I stand by it, you guys can use my code on the screen right here to get 30% off, but only for a limited 2 weeks, okay? This is a limited time offer.
Thank you to Skin Lab for sponsoring today's video.
Anyways, I'm gonna do the rest of my skincare. Are y'all seeing what I'm seeing? You know what I hate? Myself. No, I'm kidding. Self-love, positivity. Boom, we're gonna let that cool. I hate putting things off on my to-do list and then being like, I'm just gonna do it tomorrow. And then I realize that I actually have deadlines and I actually have to get things done. So tomorrow my day is jam-packed and I actually don't even know if I could get it all done, but I'm gonna make sure I get it all done. But it's like, why do I do this to myself? You know what I mean? Like, I could just gradually do my things, but instead I decide to just put it off. Whoa, why did the booty look so juicy? Yeah, no, I decided to put it off until the last day and then I stressed myself out. But you know what? Everything always works out. Everything's always fine. Live, laugh, love. Oh, I'm gonna have some oat milk. I should change into some jammies.
What pajamas are we gonna wear today?
We're gonna wear purple. Oh my God.
What a crazy cool transition!
Feel free to unsubscribe. Hey Google, play Selena Gomez. Hit the lights. Let the music move you. Lose yourself tonight. Come alive. Let the moment take you. Lose control tonight. Look at it. It's such more of like a vibe. Let's light a candle. I just know that when I check the analytics of this video after I post it, it's gonna say negative 5,000 subscribers because y'all are about to unsubscribe for how cringy I'm being. I'm just being true to myself, bro. I told y'all, my biggest fear is dying without being authentically myself. Living a life that isn't true to me. I got a candle that smells like a boy. It's called Sandalwood Plus Smoke. So that like maybe I can close my eyes and like imagine that I'm hanging out with a boy and like it'll manifest into reality, because they say that the best way to manifest is already act, like envision yourself in that moment and like really put yourself in that situation so that you feel the feelings that you would feel in the moment that you're trying to manifest. But I don't know if that's true or not, you know what I mean? Like I just bought this candle because it smelled good. Y'all didn't hear anything from me. Anyways, we have the cookie right here. Oh, y'all see how sexy this is? Woo! Did y'all just see that? This ish is so moist. A bitch knows how to bake. Y'all ain't ready for this. Ready? That was so sexual for no reason. Crispy and chewy on the inside. For my first time baking in a year, this is honestly the best shit I've ever made in my life. I'm gonna bake these tomorrow and then give them to my doorman. A little bit of kosher salt. Guys, trust me when I say salt makes a chocolate chip cookie elite. I'm transcending. I'm gonna link the recipe down below. This is so good. Oh my God, milk. Are y'all fucking with the vibes right now? We got some milk. We got some cookie. Oh, ooey gooey gooey. You need some milk. Not gonna lie, it's currently 12 o'clock and I'm fucking tired because I've been scrolling on TikTok all goddamn night and I shouldn't have. Do y'all ever get the sudden urge to fart? No, I'm kidding. That's not what I'm about to say. But I do need to. I'm gonna turn the camera off. No, silent. Me realizing now that I'm a gross bitch. Okay, now, do y'all ever like get the urge to just change your entire personality and be a different bitch? Cause me right now. If you don't care about my boy problems, you can click out. The other day, so I've like hung out with this guy a couple times, right? because like we're trying something new, talking to people, not isolating ourselves. I've hung out with him probably 3 times now. And then I just realized I'm not interested in him, okay? But then I ran into him in the elevator and I was like, oh, well, I'm walking my dog. He was going outside to go do something. So we just kind of walked together, and first thing he says to me in the elevator was, why are you talking like that? And I was like, what do you mean? And then I realized, oh my fucking God, it's because like now that I don't care, I'm just really being myself, and I have like 10 different fucking personalities and accents, but I didn't think much of it. Then we're like talking for like 5 minutes on the walk, and then he starts laughing, and I'm like, why are you laughing? He was like, because you just keep having all of these accents. And I was like, oh no, I've exposed my personalities. And then, yeah, I just realized that I can't fucking pick. Now I'm like, oh my God, wait, if I have a bunch of different personalities, should I like start using them? Cause like I don't realize it, you know what I mean? But I think you guys can tell. Some videos I'm really mundane, and some videos I'm like this, and then some videos I'm just fucking off the charts. Off the charts sexy. No, but for real though, I'm just like kind of wanna form a different personality, but at the same time, no. That's a lot of work. Do I sound crazy for saying these things? Like, please tell me that you have these thoughts too. What's going on in my mind right now is that I kind of want to start being a crystal bitch again, because like I used to be a girl that was so into crystals and like all of that stuff, and like it's not like the crystals are like the core part of everything. It's more like I just loved having fun with it, you know what I mean? And feeling like I was a little crystal girl. I don't know, it was fun. I journal now, but I just want to do it more. Like I want to make it my whole personality to journal, you know? I just think it's so fun, and I like forgot about it. Even though I do journal every single day, it's just that like when I lived in LA, I was like a real, like, not a real, that's not the right word, but I was just super into all that stuff, and I loved it. And I'm like, oh, I want to do that again. I want that to be my hobby. Today I was on Airbnb and I was looking at places in Bali because I was just like thinking that my life was over. For some reason, I think it was like the BPD in me, not my fucking second therapist diagnosing me with BPD. Should I be saying these things? No, probably not. But I was like, oh no, I need to just find a house in Bali and then just like fall off the face of the earth and never come back. But then I think I just realized that I was being delusional. Oh, I hope this guy's not watching this, but I hung out with this guy today. I like went and got coffee with him because it was my first time meeting him. We met on Instagram, and then he took some like random pictures of me and I posted it on my spam account in front of him. And then he texted me today and he was like, oh my God, I swear to God I was following your spam account. Like, did I accidentally unfollow? And I just didn't respond because I don't even know how to respond, because I removed him from the account because I didn't want him to see all the stuff that I was saying. Because I talk about like some unhinged shit on there, you know what I mean? Like I'll talk about anything and everything. I didn't want him to see that because I was talking about him, and so I just didn't respond. And what did I do? I posted that on my spam account story. So if you don't follow my spam account, you should, because I literally talk about anything and everything there. I was just FaceTiming my friend and we were talking about boys. Not gonna lie, a part of me is like, ugh, why do I care so much about boys? Like, even though I don't care about boys, at the same time, I still think about boys. And I was like, girl, like, what the are you doing? But sometimes I forget that I'm literally a fucking teenager. Sorry if I keep swearing. Sometimes you forget that I'm a literal teenager, 19 years old, and my hormones are hormoning. Like, no shit, I like boys. And I was like beating myself up because I was like, girl, why do you care so much? Just live, laugh, love your life. But then I was like, you're a teenager, of course you're gonna be with boys. Not actually though, I don't kiss boys. It made me feel better about myself because I was like, wait, so you're telling me stalking his IG is like normal? No fucking shit, it's normal, bitch. I just know that if potential men are watching this, they're like, ew, I never want to talk to this girl. But you know, it's fine. I love being a 19-year-old girl. I just want to express myself. I love boys. I love boys. This is so off-brand for me. Y'all are so used to me being like, ew, being alone is so good. Y'all are seeing a whole different side of me. Oh my God, she's so vulnerable. Oh my God, I saw my crush today. I basically have crushes on everybody, but like then I have my rankings of my crushes, and I saw my #1 crush today, and I may have manifested it, but I'm not gonna get into it because y'all are gonna call me crazy. But he was like, oh yeah, we should go do this and this together. And I was like, yeah, text me. I don't know if he's gonna fucking text me though. If you're a boy watching this, which I don't think you're a boy watching this, but if you're a boy watching this, please let me know. Would you ever tell a girl you wanted to do something even though you never wanted to fucking do it anyways? You just wanted to be nice? Because I think that's what he's doing, but I guess I'll up to you. Okay, follow my spam account. Bye.
East and the west, I'm racking up on my bread, power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her. Hey, I'm thinking I should've rest. All night long, she putting me to the test. Got a lot on, I'm trying to take out the rest. Cleaning up my lines, sending them but the